Deep inside you exists a hidden universe, way more advanced than Earth's craziest, most bustling metropolis. Imagine a hypercity packed with blazing power plants, super fast highways, eco-friendly recycling centers, massive data libraries, tough security guards, and even solar panels. The crazy part? All of this is crammed into a single microscopic cell. This isn't some sci-fi movie, it's the wild reality of biology. From the tiniest microscopic bacteria to the most towering tree, absolutely every living creature relies on organelles, the brilliant, specialized tiny structures that keep the engine of life roaring. Today, we're shrinking down to take an epic VIP tour through this hidden cellular city. Buckle up, because what you're about to witness will completely blow your mind and change how you look at life forever.
The plasma membrane is the thin, flexible border surrounding the cell. Think of it as the city's protective wall and customs checkpoint. It decides who gets in and who stays out. Nutrients, gases, and water are carefully allowed in. Waste and signals are allowed out. Its structure is a phospholipid bilayer, a hydrophobic sandwich, filled with proteins acting as gates, pumps, and ID scanners. In the center lies the nucleus, the command center of the city. Inside it is the DNA library, containing every instruction for building and maintaining the organism. The nucleus is wrapped in a nuclear envelope with pores that act like guarded doors. Inside, there's the nucleolus, a busy factory that produces ribosomes, the protein builders. Without the nucleus, the city would lose its master plan. Ribosomes are like construction crews scattered throughout the city. Some float freely in the cytoplasm, while others attach to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Their job? To assemble proteins, the tools, machines, and building blocks that keep the city alive. Every enzyme, every structure, every messenger, all are built by ribosomes. The endoplasmic reticulum is like an industrial superhighway inside the cell. The rough ER, studded with ribosomes, is the protein factory folding and modifying new proteins. The smooth ER has no ribosomes. Instead, it works as the chemical lab, producing lipids, breaking down toxins, and storing calcium for signaling. Together, the ER is like the city's factory and highway network combined. Once proteins are made, they head to the Golgi Apparatus, the city's post office and shipping center. Here, proteins are tagged, packaged into vesicles, and sent to their destination. Some are delivered inside the cell, while others are exported, like hormones or antibodies sent across the body. Every package is labeled with precision, making sure nothing is misplaced. Every city needs energy. In the cell, mitochondria are the power stations. They take fuel from food and turn it into ATP, the universal currency of energy. With their inner folds called cristae, mitochondria provide maximum surface area for energy production. Cells with high energy demands, like muscles and neurons, are packed with thousands of mitochondria. More mitochondria means more power, more life. The city also needs a cleanup system. Lysosomes are like garbage trucks and recycling plants, filled with enzymes that digest old organelles, waste, or invading bacteria. Peroxisomes are specialized detox centers, breaking down harmful chemicals like hydrogen peroxide into harmless water and oxygen. Without these, the cell would drown in toxic waste. Underneath it all, the cytoskeleton is like the city's scaffolding and transport system. Microtubules and microfilaments hold the cell's shape, move cargo, and even act as tracks for motor proteins carrying vesicles like delivery trucks. During cell division, centrioles direct this traffic, pulling DNA apart to make sure each new cell gets a full set of instructions. In animal cells, vacuoles are small storage sites. But in plants, the central vacuole is enormous, storing water, sugars, and nutrients, while also helping the cell stay firm. It's like a giant water tower in the middle of the city. Plant cells come with an extra feature: chloroplasts. These are the solar panels of the city, capturing sunlight and turning it into chemical energy through photosynthesis. Without chloroplasts, life on Earth as we know it would not exist. They are the reason animals have food and oxygen. So what looks like a tiny, simple cell under a microscope is actually a bustling metropolis of organelles, each one performing its duty with breathtaking precision. They build, power, defend, recycle, and innovate, all inside a space too small to see with the naked eye. Life itself depends on these microscopic cities. And here's the real wow. Right now, as you listen, 37 trillion of your own cells are running in perfect harmony. So next time you blink, breathe, or move your hand, remember, your body is powered by countless invisible cities of life.